Number 15 says, factor the following quadratic equation and find the zeros. So first of all, we need to actually do the factoring, which, reminder, means it should look like this kind of double bubble parenthesis set that we talked about, intercept form, hopefully ringing some bells. So remember, you start off with your t-chart on the last number. So 12, we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and that's it for our factors. We want something that multiplies to 12, but also adds to get this number in the middle, 8. Well, 12 plus 1 is 13, 6 and 2 make 8, and 4 and 3 make 7, obviously. So it's got to be those two. So I'm going to go ahead and build my parentheses. Don't know what signs I got yet. Reminder, because it's positive 12, that means I have to have the same signs, because in order to multiply to get a positive, it's either positive times positive or negative times negative. You can't have mixed signs, otherwise you'll get a negative number. Okay, so if I want, if I want it to be positive 12, but also add up to get negative 8, is it going to be positive 2 plus 6 or negative 2 minus 6? First one gets me positive 8, second one gets me negative 8. Obviously I'm looking for negative 8 because that's my middle term, so they are both minus signs. Okay, now in this one, that's the only option that has that, so that would be our choice, but I want to show you what it should look like to solve it in case your CBA does not have just one with that choice. Reminder, you're setting it equal to 0. So to find the zeros, that's why they're called that, you set each group equal to 0. Kind of nice that they named it that way. First group, easy algebra, add 2 to both sides, and I get that the first 0 is positive 2. Second one, same kind of process, we get that it's positive 6. Also happens to be the opposite signs from what we started with. Exactly what option A has, so that is our answer.